Hello viewer, here we will make the shapes around it and then we will take the changes there. Keep editing the designs, explore the more options using the structure there. So we have to make the changes. Let's try the designs. Also use the paint here. We will take another design. Here is an result.